Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I have another surprise birthday unboxing to do from our friend at New England Junk Journals, Miss Sarah. Sarah, thank you in advance. And I was delayed in opening things because I was traveling. And Sarah had said, I sent you something, but it won't come until after your birthday. And I'm like, it's okay. Don't sweat it. I told Carrie that too. I celebrated all month long. So thank you, my dear. Now, this was a big box. So I ended up unboxing it. And I am starting from the items that were on the bottom. But look at this frog. Can you even? Oh my gosh. So cute. Look at this. Made with love, and they feel, I'm pretty sure, these feel like leather. Sticking my flangy in here to check it out. Well, yeah, I think that's leather. Those are cool. Okay, those are going to go up here with my little handmade thing, and I'll keep those and use them. Ooh, some fruit ribbon. This is the ribbon that's nice and thick, and it's got the wire in it. You know, I've always, when I have done ruffles with this kind, I wouldn't use this for ruffles because I like the design on it, but I'm just sharing this with you. If you don't have a sewing machine, this wire ribbon is something you can easily make a ruffle with without the, because it's got the wire. But usually if I use this in my journals and I do want to make a ruffle, then I take the wire out. But you don't have to. You don't have to. Look at this. This will go awesome with the other goodies I got from Pam and from Carrie for the bead journal. Sweet. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I bet she was cutting apart dresses. Holy moly. Look at that. That is stunning. Ooh, girl, thank you. And then what do we got here? We got some fashion girls. Oh my gosh, they are cute. This is nice, heavy fabric. How did your garden grow, girl? Love that. Oh, that could be a fun journal cover, huh? And then this is some plastic tablecloth. This would be fun to see how, maybe she's already tried it and she's just sharing pieces. But it would be interesting to see how this goes over. You know, it's still not warm enough in Iowa for me to dye. I know I owe you a video, but to dye paper and let it dry outside. Some of these will not work so well because this is, the weave is so tiny, so it might not show this shape. But this one, as you can see, my fingers under it, I bet it would work okay. And definitely this. So we'll put this with my dyeing, Kool-Aid and coffee dyeing equipment, and then we'll try it. Look at this. A binder. And it's about cooking. The girl knows me. Ooh. Now, this may be a bolo, just from opening up page number 1. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, heck yeah. When's this from? 2010. But it's got all of the vintage images, looking images. Oh my gosh, Sarah, this is going to be so fun. You tell me in the comments, should I or should I not do a journal using this? Because look at all the fun things, and we can embrace this. We will use these pages just how they are, or, you know, some of them. We might not be able to use every single one. But they've got file folders in here. Oh, Sarah, Sarah, this is fabulous. I love it. Okay, you guys need to be on the lookout for this one. 2010, and it's called What's Cooking? My Recipe Organizer. Peter Popper Press. ISBN 978-1-59359-2837. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. so much fun. I may have to reinforce this. It looks like nothing I can't fix, I don't think. But other than that, it's good to go. Oh, I love it. Okay, now I'm going to run out of space. Ooh, look at this. Look at this rickrack. That's cool. I think I remember her opening this. I was in, when I was in Cedar Rapids the last time, I went into, it's a very bohemian, Czechoslovakian town. And so they have the Czech Village, and there was an antique store there. And the gentleman had, and it wasn't terribly expensive. What is this? Turn the page and find the hidden pictures. A hide-and-seek book. Oh, my gosh. Okay, let me finish what I was saying. And this gentleman had a whole box full of gorgeous, kind of bohemian, Czechoslovakian, some of it almost looked like Swiss ribbons and trims with the florals, and it was very beautiful. And it was like $3 a yard, and I had just started shopping, so I was like, well, I'll come back. Well, after I left, I realized I forgot to go back and I was just going to get a yard of each one of them, and I thought it was cute. This is amazing, and I don't know if you've noticed this yet. All right, let me go back to the beginning. Okay, so Marvin Moose sees something funny. 10 toucans in the treetops. Count the eyes. Or is it 4 frat? Well, they could have been frat frogs, too. 4 fat frogs on toadstools. Oh, no. Come on now, right there. That's all she wrote. It's a nosy cowboy. Which way did he go? The 2 old men say, we don't know. This is so fun. The flamingos saw him a minute ago. Don't look now, say the giraffes, but it seems we're all a part of the elephant's dreams. This is awesome. It's by Tom Eaton. Text by Robin Sopraner. 1971. That is marvelous. Yeah, I don't know how I mean, I might not be able to do anything with it except look at it and admire it because every page is awesome. Broderick. I don't think I know this book. Broderick, you are adorbs. When's this from? Look at that cute. This book belongs to the Ex Libris. Aww. 1969. I don't think that I have seen Broderick before, but the illustrations are beautiful. I just saw this and I had to laugh. It says Anatole, who became first vice president in charge of cheese tasting in the Duval cheese factory in Paris. Broderick began to take long walks in the lakes. Norman was a doorman at the art museum. Oh, so we got a history of all of them. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I don't know. I mean, I don't have tons of mice books, but this may be one of my favorites for the illustrations. They're just gorgeous. Wow. Oh, look at this. This one's cute too, and it's more mice. Adventure in the Dark. So cute. Those little chunky little monkey mice. When is this one? 1982. Adventure in the Park. Oh, I love these precious little ones. This one's pretty stinking cute too. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun. I need to get my mouse. Oh my goodness, look at that. My mice journals. I think my mice journal, I'm going to have to at least do one mouse journal that includes mushies. Because I think that they just, you know, kind of go hand in hand. This is adorable. Look at that. Thank you, girl. And then there are 3. Gus Was a Friendly Ghost. This is from back in my day. Well, this was way before my day, but 1962. But I did used to read these. These were like scholastic books. Gus was a friendly ghost, and he's got his little mousy friend. Oh my gosh. These will be great. So, Gus is supposed to be the star of the show, but the mouse clearly is. This is great. And do we have, is this Gus and the baby ghost? Oh, did you mean to stick those in there? I don't know if you did, but these are pretty cool. They're paper clips. That is awesome. Hi, Kelly. This is Miss Kelly Books, and she's got her kitty catty. So here, Gus shares the spotlight with Cora, who is the kitty. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And then finally, we have Gus Was a Mexican Ghost. And he's got Cora, again, the kitty. Ooh, this is pretty. Kelly had all of the books. Whoa, there must be a party going on out there. Let's see. This one is from 1974. Cora the cat, Mouse the mouse, baby ghost, and Mr. Frizzle. That's the family. The whole family. Man, those are gorgeous pictures. Wow. Thank you. These are wonderful. So cute. And then we have something attached to something else. Let's see. Okay, I can already tell by the first page in this upholstery book that I'm going to be in love with it. And I'll tell you why in 2 seconds. We got she made a wallpaper pocket. And there's more goodies in there. But if I had to guess, this is cedar, melon, and nutmeg. And I bet they're all oranges. Yep. Shades of oranges and rusts. Oh, yes. Oh. You know me well, girl. Oh, my goodness. I can go look at that. Yummers. Yeah, all day long. Now, I do see some colors in here that I might have to share with Miss Hazel because she likes some of these burgundies and such, but she ain't getting the orange. But look at this. The back versus the front. The back versus the front. So you've got both sides to work with. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Yes, it is. And last but not least is the pocket full of fun. And what's in here? Ooh. What's on here? That bead is heavy. It almost felt like a weight. Schumacher. And these are like little mini samples. I don't know if she did that or if they... Well, nope, they must have come like that. Probably like the samples that... Look at the roosters. Those are cute. These might be like the ones that you would have ordered. Like ordered online. So that's cool. We can do something awesome with these. These are fun, Sarah. Thank you for sharing. They're already ready for us, right? Love these. All right, we're going to do something with those soon, too. Look at me with all my projects. Well, Miss Sarah, thank you for making my birthday special. I really appreciate you. And for all of the lovely, lovely gifts that are so meaningful and that you knew I would love. Now, let me tell you, I'm not sure when this video will air. I do know in the month of April, Sarah will have been a guest on the live sales. So go rewatch those. She may have things that you may want if they did not sell. But she is a regular guest on our channel, so tune in to those on Thursdays. The only Thursday is the first Thursday of the month that we do not do sales. And you may see Miss Sarah at New England Junk Journals joining us. But if not, make sure you go over, join her channel. She is in the process of moving, so she might not be doing a lot of videos, but she has lots and lots of fun videos that you will be sure to enjoy, and she would love to have the support as well. So friends, until next time, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.